Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. Today, we have completed the first chapter. As usual, we are going for a second chapter. These all things I have solved from your second chapter. Everybody has your textbooks. Yes. Now you have to open the page number 20. Open the page number 20. From Kozhikode to Talasir. Shubodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjani is going to Talasiri, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. First opposite directions, yes, the side which we goes direction, and opposite means one is opposite to other as shown in the picture. See, Kozhikode is in this side and Talasiri is in this side of. This is a long of 24 km and this is a long of 46 km this side and this is this side. How far is Kozhikode from Talasiri? They have asked that how long that both are. How long that both are, you have to write here. Kozhikode is 24 kilometers and Talasiri is 46 kilometers. How far is your home from school? You have to write how far your home is from school. Your home, the distance between your home and school. They have asked. Mamun comes to school from very far. Far means from a long distance. He comes to a school. His home is far away. It's a far away from the school. Far away, long distance. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond. 400 meters to a pond. Look at this picture. He walks till 400 meters first to the pond with slippers in his hands. He will put the slippers in his. He will take a slippers in his hand and he will walk. He then walk 150 meters through the pond. Again from there he moves 150 meters through the. He walks again 150 meters. Next he runs. Now see. Next he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. It's a green field shown in it. Look it, green field. From there he come with a running. With a running he comes 350 meters from the green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. While he will cross the road by 40 meters. By walking 40 meters he crosses the line. Okay, now you understood. First Mamun walks how much? 400 meter plus 150 meter and then 350 meter and then 40 meters. Totally how much he walks? Add it and see how much does he walks. Now see here. First he 400 plus 150, then 350 and then 40. 840 meters. He runs 840 meters. If it is for 1000, how much it will be? 1 kilometer. 1000 meters makes a 1 kilometer. Is it more than 1 kilometer? Is it more than 1 kilometer? Kids, is it more than 1 kilometer? No. Why no? No, why? Because it is not a 1000 meters. It does not has a 1000 meters. 1000 meters make a 1. How much it makes? One more, it is 400, 150, 350, and then 40. 0, 14, sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 940. It's a 940. Sorry, it's a 940 meters. It's a 940 meters. So that it takes, it is not then, it is not a 1 kilometer. Why? Because it is not more than 1000. Clear? Okay. Now we will go to our next page, page number 21. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table. Write in meters or kilometers. You have to write in kilometers or meters. First write your friend's name, distance of the house from school, from home to school, how much distance it is, that you have to write here. Okay, who among you live the nearest to the school? Here you will write the friend's name and distance here. Who is nearer to the school, that your friend's name you have to write here. You have to do your own, it's okay, it is given to you. Who lives farthest from the school? Who is very far away from the school, that name you have to write here. You will make a chart now, from that only you have to write. How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? How many of your friends are less than 1 kilometer distance to a school? Their friends name you have to write. How many, that number, count them, count your friends, and you have to write their number. Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometers away from the school? How do they come to school? Yes, if your friends are away at more than 5 kilometers away from the school, then you have to write that how they will come to school, that you have to write it. Guess and find out. How long is the thread in the reel? The thread wala bundle, how long it is, you have to guess how much long it will be, that you have to write. How long is the string of a kite reel? Can it be more than a kilometer long? Now while making to fly a kite, you will tie a thread for it. How long it will be, that thread you have to guess. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would that thread be? That thread, one handkerchief, that how much long it will be, you have to guess. Now page number 22. I wish I were a kite. I think so. If I baby a kite means what I wish to do, that like that you have to thinking. You are thinking. Suppose you are thinking, guess this. So that I could rise above this building's height. Means if you are a kite, you can go a high like a above the house. Yes or no? In the high. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. If the bird, you have seen the bird flying in the sky, how it will be? It will go above the kite. Yes or no? Here see. Above the house is kite. Kites above it is bird. I wish I could be a cloud so that I could move above this little bird. Above this little bird, clouds Clouds will move, no? Yes or no? That if he is thinking, if I could be a cloud, I used to move. I wish I were a plane, so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. Hills and above the hills and clouds, which the plane is flying, so that he wish I could be there. Try to find out which is the highest building that you have seen. About how many rooms high was it? Now, you have seen our school building till 3rd floor. More than this which building it may be a high, biggest in a height, bigger in a height. So that you have to write which you have saw. How high can a kite go? Imagine how the kite will go, how much high it can go. Can it go higher than the Qutub Minar? You have learned the Qutub Minar here in this. See, look at how much it is, 72 meters. Qutub Minar was 72 meters, is given in your textbook. So that 72 meters is your kite can go or no, you have to measure. How high can plane fly? How much high the plane will fly, you have to guess. You have to try to find it. Can it fly higher than the Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? Mount Everest is 9 kilometers high. More than that, is the plane go flying? Go, no. You have to find right. Have you ever clouds below you? Have you ever seen the clouds below you? Below your clouds, whenever you have seen, when you will sit in the flight, you may see plane. When you go in the planes, you can see the clouds below you. Yes or no? Imagine that. Okay, today, so that here is the completion of our 2nd chapter, and go through the questions in the from your textbooks and write it in your notebook, and we will start our next chapter in our next class. So till that, have a nice day, take care, complete your homework.